Did you know you can share notes with others on iPhone? And in this video, I'll be showing you how to share notes on iPhone. Now let's get started. To share a single note with someone on iPhone, open the Notes app and open the note you want to share. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Share Note. Before you share your note, check out the Share Options settings. Select either Can Make Changes or View Only under the Permissions section. You can also allow or disallow anyone you share the note with from adding people. When the switch is green, anyone you share the note with can share it with other people. When it's gray, only you can add more people to the shared note. You can share your note through messages, email, or another social media or messaging app of your choice. You can also share entire folders in the Notes app if you like. To share an entire folder of notes with someone, open the folder you want to share. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Share Folder. To confirm, tap Share. Configure your share options to suit your needs. Then share your folder through messages, email, or another social media or messaging app of your choice. After you've shared a note or folder, you can see everyone who has access to it by tapping the person icon in the top right corner. Then tap Manage Shared Note. Tap someone's name to manage their permissions or remove them from your shared note or folder. When someone makes changes to a shared note, everyone else it's shared with will be able to see the changes made. Based on the permissions you've set, members of a shared note can make changes to notes you've shared or only view it. That's all it takes to share notes on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.